Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Amplify Exchange YouTube channel. Over the past couple of weeks, we have been able to announce some very exciting features that we have been able to deliver. Things like commission-free trading, as well as show you demo videos of exactly how to use the platform to do everything you need to do in a crypto brokerage. We've even shown you a direct comparison of how Amplify's commission-free trading structure gets you more on each and every trade than an industry leader like Coinbase. It's really great. There is one more component to the current and future Amplify Exchange ecosystem of products, which today we will deliver you a 3-part video series that we'll be revealing all these exciting details. That component is our loyalty token, AMPX. AMPX was created to reward our loyal customers with discounts and earning opportunities. Those discounts and earning opportunities increase as time goes on as AMPX gains more and more utility. In this video, the first in the series covers exactly that, the future utility of AMPX. When we created AMPX, we did so with one of the primary purposes being to provide our customers a way to save on trading fees. That was and still is a primary purpose of AMPX. By separating Amplify Exchange into 2 initial products, we were able to go one step further and deliver something extraordinary that has never been done in cryptocurrency to date. The first product in our suite is the Amplify Brokerage, which will be launching to all pre-registered users in an exclusive private launch on Sunday, November 24th, and will follow with an open launch shortly after. To quickly understand a brokerage, think of regular Coinbase. This functions as a brokerage and ensures deep liquidity and the ability to instantly fill large or small orders at spot pricing by working with a variety of liquidity providers, including market makers. Amplify Brokerage works similarly in that a majority of the orders that are placed on a brokerage are done so as market orders. While Amplify Brokerage allows more order types than Coinbase, including limit orders, the majority of orders placed will connect with a liquidity provider. This provided us with an opportunity that no other exchange has ever capitalized on, and that is to negotiate with those liquidity providers and have them pay fees associated with using the platform instead of you, our customer. This was difficult and took some time to accomplish, but we are proud to say that we have done it. It's awesome. The fees are now paid by liquidity providers instead of being charged to you, the end users, and they are paid in AMPX. Not only does this ensure that Amplify Exchange can be profitable and continue to grow, but it brings more utility than ever to the AMPX token. Additionally, the Amplify Brokerage will allow customers to save on withdrawal fees, convert small balances of crypto dust to AMPX, and for complex token listings, the listing fee will be paid in AMPX. The second product in our suite is the Amplify Pro Exchange, which will roll out in early 2020. To quickly understand the difference here, think of Coinbase Pro. This functions in a more full-featured environment, and more trading in this product happens peer-to-peer. That means sometimes you may connect to a liquidity provider, but often you will connect with another customer just like you for the matching end of your trade. On Amplify Pro Exchange, you will be able to save on trading fees 50% just as we intended from the beginning by paying those fees in AMPX. Unlike other platforms like Binance, where you can use their loyalty token to save on trading fees, we take it one step further. We do not require you to pre-buy AMPX tokens so you can save on your trading fees when using Amplify Pro Exchange. If you have selected the feature in your profile to save 50% on trading fees by using AMPX, the Amplify Pro Exchange will automatically purchase exactly the amount of AMPX you need for your transaction at the time of the main transaction, so there is no additional obligation from you. This also provides tremendous utility for AMPX because it ensures it will always be used. Since AMPX markets always trade commission-free on any Amplify product, it is the perfect solution. Now, there is one more groundbreaking feature that will be rolled out in the Amplify Pro Exchange that we are not ready to fully announce, but it provides you with an opportunity to earn interest on your deposits, which can be increased even further by taking those interest payments in AMPX. So the future of the AMPX token is so bright. It's so exciting to be a part of Amplify at this time. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It's definitely a lot of information to absorb, but we can all agree that AMPX has tremendous utility, more than ever in fact, and the future of Amplify Exchange and AMPX is so exciting. If you are not a pre-registered user, you have until 10 a.m. on Thursday, November 21st to join the group of nearly 100,000 people who will be a part of the exclusive private launch event on November 24th. Do me a favor, head over to amplifyexchange.com and get signed up now. If you missed it, go ahead and sign up so you can be among the very first to be a part of the open launch. Stay tuned for the next video in the series on AMPX, AMPX total supply, and burn schedule, where we'll make an exciting announcement. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and be sure to turn on notifications so you can get exciting Amplify news the moment it is released. Thank you so much for being a part of the Amplify journey as we bring you the perfect platform to amplify your digital assets.